Hello, I'm Dr. Mel Burchman, and in October of 2018, I had the honor of joining some of the top experts in the world and speaking before a congressional subcommittee on using photobiomodulation to help end the opioid epidemic. In 2017, more people died from opioid overdose than car crashes. The American life expectancy has decreased by 2.5 months because of opioid abuse. And unfortunately, 80% of those treated for opioid abuse relapse. So I invite you to join Dr. Gerry Ross, Dr. Arun Darbar, and myself for our comprehensive 8-hour course in photobiomodulation on the Dental CE Academy, Saturday, February 13th. Please allow us to teach you the science of photobiomodulation and how you can use that for pain management. You'll be amazed at its many benefits and wonder how you practiced without it before.